Well, all right, all right, all right. I am at the Magic Kingdom and I am going to go on a pirate adventure right now. Going back to in between Adventureland and Frontierland. We're going to see if we can get a map, a treasure map, to some of the most fun things to do here at the Magic Kingdom when it's high wait times. Let's go check this out. So it's Sunday afternoon. I just got back from Myrtle Beach. It was 32 degrees when I left Myrtle Beach this morning. Get down here to the Magic Kingdom, and it is a balmy 86 degrees. I had to stop there in the Palm Coast and change clothes. It was so hot. So I've been a pass holder for 3 years, and I just found this about a month and a half ago, but it is so much fun. Just stumbled upon it, did not know what it was, but a pirate adventure, and I've got to show you the pirate coming out of the water by the Jungle Cruise. It is so much fun. So after you pass Pirates of the Caribbean, you're going to go through the Frontierland entrance here, and it's going to be the first building on your left. So we're here at a Pirate's Adventure. You got to enlist. Look at that knife sticking out of the wall there. You got to enlist up here on the other side. A Pirate Adventures, Treasures of the Seven Seas. So you have all kinds of treasure maps here on the wall here. Look at all these maps. Maps galore. This is really cool in here. I love this room, the way this is set up in here. But you've got different maps that you can do. So it looks like we've got 4 maps over here right now, and I think I want to do the Guardian's Curse because I think this ends up at the Jungle Cruise, and that's where the pirate we want to see come out of the water at. But you've got 8 different maps. It looks like we've got 4 right now, or there are 8. But yeah, this is the room where you check in. They'll get you amount of people that's in your party. You'll get your map. We're doing the Guardian's Curse. And then you get your talisman. And you're starting off on your scavenger hunt. All right, so here we go. We got our talisman here. Let's head off and go and search. All right, so we're here at the parrot here. Let's see if we can get this guy to react here. Oh, what we got?
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! I'm just the messenger. I'll be delivering your message to the captain presently. Look on the crate by the blunderbuss. Find the bullseye on your map. Treasures nearby. Bullseye.
So we've got our next clue here. We're going to follow our map. Let's see here. You got a little thing here from Captain Jack Sparrow. But yeah, the map is here. So this one's the Guardian's Curse. Starts off at the parrot, right on the right-hand side of the beacon barrel. But it gives you directions here to your next goal. So I think we've got this one here.
Seems you've gotten off course. No matter. There's something on that
Oh, I'm off course here. I'm not in the right spot. So I have got to go to the very other end of the park here to find this one. So you got to watch these guys here when you're walking by here. They might get you a little wet. It really helps out if you go to the right one here. Oh. All right.
Very well. Try again. Try using your talisman again.
I'm trying to shoot that treasure chest over there. Here we go. There we go. There's the treasure. We got it. We got the treasure.
Base of the deck gun. We'll use my trusty compass to find the magical mark of the compass rose on your map.
Compass rose on the map. All right, we're going. So you got to be ready. It'll have you crisscrossing back and forth here in Adventureland. So now I'm going to go all the way back down to the other end of Adventureland, down by Tortuga. So now we've got the compass rose here. This see where we're at. Oh, it's right here. Oh.
Well done, my lovelies. Let's see where the compass point. A captain's hat, is it? Well then, you must be close to the treasure. Find the magical mark of the captain's hat on your map, Savvy. Then off you go.
So we're in search of the captain's hat now. So we're heading back over towards Jungle Cruise now. We're looking for the captain's hat. So I think I know exactly where it's at. So I think we're down here by the captain's hat. We're going to find out, but let's read Captain Jack Sparrow's letter to us. So Captain Jack Sparrow, I can indeed delay our fleet's attack on your filthy pirates' haven for a price. The treasure of the Indian Ocean should be adequate. I'm told that it's a rather exquisite necklace. The more gullible of the men claim it has a curse. But I trust that a captain of your experts will not be frightened away by superstition. If you agree to my terms, send a letter of notification and I will rendezvous with your crew in person. Commander John Evanride, Royal Knight. Here he comes.
The Indian Ocean. I had it in my hands. But you and Jack Sparrow tricked me. While you receive its power, I received its curse. Mark my words. As soon as I discover how to break this curse, I'll have my revenge.
Oh, that's so cool.
Well done, crew. You found the treasure of the Indian Ocean. And managed to avoid its curse as well. Seems we'll find all the treasures at this rate. Which reminds me, fancy finding some more treasure. Well, if you find your way back to the place where you signed on, they'll have another map for you.
So with a little bit of running back and forth around Adventureland, we finally found the necklace. But make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll do more pirate adventures here later on. We'll see you on the flip side. Stay frosty and remember, the Magic Kingdom is calling your name.